Hi, this tutorial walks you through how to submit a Google document from your APS Google Drive to a Canvas file upload assignment while on a computer browser. I am on a Mac and using the Chrome browser. I will demonstrate using this example practice assignment. At the top, it says that it is a file upload assignment. You'll also notice at the top right-hand corner of the assignment screen is a dark blue button called Start Assignment. Click the button when you are ready to submit. I will click it now. Now, you see at the bottom of the screen, I have multiple options of sources from which to submit. Since my file is in my Google Drive, I will click on Google Drive. Do not click on Google Drive LTI 1.3. From here, I'm able to search my entire Google Drive to find a file to submit. I can either navigate through my folders or search for the title. I'll type in the name of my document, which is my sample paper. From here, I'll click to select my document, then select the teal Submit button below the list of Google Docs. But you're not done yet. The last step is to click the dark blue Submit Assignment button. If you submit this assignment before the due date, you will see some congratulatory Canvas confetti. You may also see a notice like this saying that Canvas is processing your submission. You can click OK. Once submitted, notice that the timestamp and date of your submission are at the top of the page, along with the title of the file you submitted. If for any reason you would like to submit again, you can click the New Attempt button and resubmit. Actually, now I will show you how to submit a PDF from your computer. Since I've already submitted, this time I will click the New Attempt button. Then, at the bottom of the page, I will click Upload File. Then I will choose File. From here, I'll navigate my computer to find the file and select it. I'll click Open. And finally, within Canvas, I'll click the Submit Assignment button. Notice the Canvas congratulatory confetti and also the new timestamp at the top. Thanks for watching.